Hello kids, today we learn what is a questions. In this lesson, we will be learning about question words. Question words are used to ask about things we want to know and also to gather information. We will learn 6 question words plus one example for each one. 5 of these words start with WH sound. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Do you know what comes at the end of a sentence that uses a question word? That's right, it needs a question mark at the end. Let's learn how to use question words. Who is your best friend? What is your favorite animal? And then question mark. When is your birthday? Where do you live? Why do you like summer? How old are you? Well done. You have made a sizzling start with question word. Thank you.